it's Karen, the Weekend Craftaholic. This is my first video of a few. I'm just going to merge them all together. But first of all, I've got some goodies from Kmart. Now, for those of you not in Australia, Kmart is a bit like a Target store. They sell lots of random things, clothing, household stuff, that kind of thing. And they do sell a few craft stuff. So I wanted to show you what I got today from the craft section. So excuse the crinkling noise. The first thing I got was these felt sheets. There's 32 in here. You can see they're about just short of 6 inches square, and you can see I got quite a few different colours in that. This was $3, so 3 Australian dollars obviously. I get 4 of each. 4 or 3 of each colour. It's a bit of a mix. So I thought they might be great for making my own dice actually. I thought I could do something on the Cricut, make a bit of a game and then sew it into a cube. So that was my plans with that. The other thing I got was this. Now this was $3. Now I purposely went into Kmart for these because, I'm just going to quickly show you, I already had this pom-pom maker, which was just 50 cents less. But you see, for an extra 50 cents you get an extra 2 pom-poms. Now the reason I wanted more is because I'm making pom-poms for my craft room. This is one that I made with the blue one, and it's just a bit too big, so I wanted to get this one because they obviously do these cute little smaller ones. So that is what I'm doing to decorate my craft room throughout July. So that was a bit of a bargain as well. Whilst I was there, I also got these acrylic pouring paints. These are probably more for my daughter than me. She absolutely loves this colour, so she wanted to get it because of this colour. But I have bought myself some cheap tiles from Bunnings, and I want to do a bit of a practice on the tiles with the pouring paint and some of the pouring medium as well. And then I'm going to cover it with a sign with my Cricut. So that's why I'd got those pre-mixed pouring paints. And the last thing I got from Kmart, which is too good to resist, I think these were $4 or $5, I can't remember now. These are glitter shakers. I'm gonna get a bit closer, so hopefully you can see. Some of them are little stars, love hearts. You can see there's a bit of a mix within those colours, so I thought they would be absolutely great for mixing up some of my own blends. So just a little haul from Kmart. Like I say, it's not really a craft shop. It is where I got my favourite little planner from, and this was only $2.50. This is what I'm using to keep on track of all my crafting stuff at the moment. They do also sell a couple of other versions. This is one of them. This is also $2.50. The same style inside. And they also sell these as well for $2.50 to go with. So little transparent stickers that you can use in your planner, because none of them are dated at all, so you can date them yourself. I also got this sticker booklet that I'll be using that, as well as these, and getting this one set up as well to use. So that's my little haul from Kmart. And I have got myself from the $2 shop another little box to do my memory decks in. I'm going to show you a walkthrough of my memory decks cards. So I've managed to fill one of these boxes completely, and it held 45 memory decks cards. It is definitely time for me to get a new one. So that was just a quick one, just for a couple of dollars. I've also got myself some padded envelopes. These were on sale at Spotlight. They were only $1 for 2. They had gold or silver. And some tissue paper as well from the dollar shop. What I'm excited about is another order from Kitaholic kits. I did mention in my last craft haul that I only really order from them whenever there's a sale on, and they had a 30% off sale. So I want to show you what I got from them today. So the first thing I got was this pouring medium, as you can see. This is Dina Wakley pouring medium, and it comes with a little cell creator as well. I'm not even sure what that is, to be honest. And it changes the density of your paint mixtures to create an isolated variation in the colours commonly referred to as cells in pour. So use 1 drop of cell creator to every cup of paint mixed with the pouring medium. Oh wow, so that's going to last a very long time indeed. So that is going to be good fun to play with. And the other thing, you might not be surprised, it's my latest love affair with the Creative FX from Vicky Bouton. So this is another one that I managed to get from Kitaholic Kits, and that was about $10 I think. And I've not opened this yet, so let's see. Oops. So let's see what is inside. Now I ordered 2 of the kits that, some really old kits. I can't remember which ones they were. I will try and find them for you. But, oh my lord, look at these alphas. I just love the size of them, the multicoloured nature of them. Oh, and they've got the beige ones on the back. So I'm not sure which collection this is from. It just says Happy Life. So I'll need to have a little Google and figure out which collection that's from. It may well be from the Whimsical collection itself, actually, because I know I ordered this because there was quite a lot of whimsical elements in it. Also got a little bit of pom-pom trim, which you can go past. A few little sequins. Now, wooden flourish packs. This is from Kaisercraft. Must admit, I'm not a big fan of wood chip, so this may end up being in some Happy Mail in the future as a de-stash. Absolutely love these though, these little wreaths. These are going to be great for December daily, I think. And Snow and Cocoa, I love anything by them, I have to say as well. It's crepe paper, of course. And then looking at the paper in this, as I said, this is the Whimsical. I do already have these sheets, but absolutely adore them. So good to get some more of them. And then this is a different one. What's this? New Day by Dear Lizzie. I've not seen this one before. Oh, I do like the monochrome one. A little bit more whimsical. Oh, I've not got this one actually, so that's a nice new one to add to my stash. So that is one of the kits. And it's obviously it's the scrapbooking kit. And I should have said it is the scrapbooking kit as well. So you can see you get quite a bit in that. So that's one of the kits. I think it was about $30. And this was another scrapbooking kit, which is also around about $30. Ooh, Memory Maze. This is a little stencil by the looks of it. Then we've got Everyday Musings, Ephemera Pack. Hopefully you can see what's in that if I hold it up. This is from Pink Fresh Studio. It's quite a few little ephemera pieces in that pack. This is rather cute, isn't it? Very bling indeed. And we've also got some tulle with these gorgeous little love hearts on. That's going to look great in my pocket page notebook. And this is another Kaisercraft. I've seen these in Spotlight actually. I'm not really sure what people use these for, but maybe it's something else I need to check out on Pinterest to get some ideas. And some little acrylic hats as well. And I'm pretty sure I've already got this as well, but I have used a few of them, so that's always good to have. And then let's have a look what's in this little parcel. So these are some more little ephemera pieces. I don't know if they're, looks like they may have been printed off and cut out. So I'm not sure what collection they're from. I'll stick those back in before I lose them. And then let's have a look at some of these gorgeous papers. This is also Everyday Musings from Pink Fresh. That is very cute, isn't it? I love the colours on that. And I like the back as well. It's probably my favourite side on that one. I haven't come across this collection before, so it's a good way to sample them getting these scrapbooking kits. It's very summery. I'm loving the blues in this. And this is Simple and Sweet from Pink Fresh. Oh, that's really nice. It goes with my craft room colours, that minty teal effect. And that's another Everyday Musings. So I've got some good, nice, really thick pattern papers to go with that. So that is my little stash from Kitaholic Kits. Like I say, there was just a couple of these little products as well as 2 of the kits that were on sale. And just moving those out of the way while I show you what I got at lunchtime today from the local craft store here, which is the Love of Scrap. You've seen me show things from this store before. So first of all, I got a 12 by 12 frame. Now, I've been looking for one of these for so long. I have got 2 already and I wanted more. And it was a bargain as well. Originally $35, reduced to $20. It was the last one in the store. So I'm glad to get a bargain with that. One of the things I did go in for was this little prick pen piercing tool. Now I saw Crystal Becker use something similar and I've been on the hunt for a very sharp picking tool. And you see this basically just looks like a pen. Hopefully you're going to be able to see just how sharp that is. At less than a millimetre. And she had a very sharp picking tool, very similar. So I've been on the lookout since I saw hers. And I saw that they'd got these recently in stock in the store. So that was my main reason for going down to pick it up. I also picked up these very cheap art brushes. I thought they would be good for applying the gesso. So some nice wide sizes on that. And look what else I got. I got another Vicky Bouton. This time it's the iridescent glaze. So this is number 4 now that I have in this kind of collection. So I'm going to obviously try and get as many as I can. I also picked up some very cheap card and envelopes. These are square ones for Christmas. So obviously we're July at the moment, so I want to make a start on my Christmas stuff, which I always do in July. It's winter in July in Australia, but being from the UK, whenever it's winter it reminds me of Christmas, and Australia do a Christmas in July event, so it is very Christmassy even though it's the middle of the year. So great time for me to stock up and make a start on my Christmas cards. The other thing I managed to grab, I used this in my December daily last year and I've managed to get another one as well. This is Kaiser Craft. It was only $3 and this is full of numbers. It's probably hard for you to see, but there's about 4 different sets and different size numbers, so it's just a sticker sheet full of those. And the other thing I got was this pearl mixative. I've got a few of these now, so again it was good to get one of the mixatives to go with my alcohol inks. I also picked up these tiny little brads. This is a 50 pack, and they're like a couple of dollars. Again, I thought now that I'm doing a little bit more Happy Mail, it's good to have the brads in just as I'm making little pockets and things. And I also picked up another Perfect Pearls. This is the confetti white, which I don't know, I've got a bit of a white theme going on, haven't I, with all of these iridescent things, but yeah, I do definitely have a bit of a theme going on now I look at it. Yeah, it was good to grab these whilst I was in store as well. So that is my craft haul. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had a great crafting month as well, and I will see you next time.